Equilateral triangle is actually probably a little easier to deal with than isosceles triangle. It has three sides that are all the same. So 1, 2, 3. It has three angles that are all the same. And they're each 60 degrees. So they're already marked 1, 2, 3. And then this thing here, the altitude, if you draw any altitude in the entire triangle, it's going to cut the angle and the side in half. So I'm going to draw a little equilateral triangle right here, and I'll draw in an altitude like that. All right, now this, and that side are all the same because it's equilateral. This altitude cuts the base in half, which means those two little pieces right there are the same. So that piece and that piece are the same. It cuts this top angle in half. And since the whole angle is 60 degrees, that means each of those are 30 degrees. So equilateral triangle has some special things happening. There's less kinds of problems you can get with this triangle because almost everything is equal to each other, the sides and the angles and things, but there's still a couple things you're going to look out for. So make sure you remember especially that it has 3 equal sides and that it has 3 equal angles. And then this right here, that the base gets cut in half. Not the base, the side gets cut in half by the altitude. And really keep in mind that the altitude does not bisect the side or the base in other triangles. Only isosceles and equilateral. Okay, so we've got to be on the lookout for this. We can't just now say, oh, I see an altitude, it cuts it in half, because it doesn't happen in triangles unless they're isosceles or equilateral specifically. So don't fall for that.